up, guys? Welcome back to Play Squad HQ. Today we're going to be opening a Poké Ball Tin, which contains 3 Pokemon TCG booster packs and 2 sticker sheets. So for our stickers, we have Palmy and whoever he is. And for the packs, we have Paradox Rift, Obsidian Flames, and Scarlet and Violet base set. First, we're going to be opening Obsidian Flames. Grass Energy, Rowlet, Bunnelby, Smoliv, Pidgey, Slazzle, Wugtrio, Kangaskhan, Meltan, Magneton, and Ladle. So there were no good pulls in Obsidian Flames. Now let's see if there's any good pulls in Scarlet and Violet base set. Water Energy, Pineco, Fiddle, Fuecoco, Drowsy, Crocodile, Flamigo, Fortress, Fiddle, Primate Band, Full Art Terra Arcanine. Let's put him in his sleeve. And this is our good pull. Now let's see if we can get another good pull in Paradox Rift. We have an Electric Energy, Frustle, Onyx, Fiddle, Nickit, Mela, Minior, Dondonzo, Joltik, Wugtrio, and Hoopa EX. Just put him in a sleeve as well. And here's our other good pull. So out of the 2 packs, we got these 2 new good pulls. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Peace.